Welcome to this training on Crowdgen Appen Project Hydra. It's one of the most talked about remote data rating projects online currently. So in this session, I will discover exactly how professional raters think, how they analyze search results and app content, and how you can build the same skills that help you qualify quickly and consistently without needing insider material or leaked answers. So by the end of this video, you will understand what Project Hydra style tax actually measure, how to interpret guidelines the right way, the habits that top performers use to stay active and keep income flowing week after week. And if you want structured mentorship that takes you from beginner to confident rater, I will show you how to enroll in the Hydra Masterclass. So where we go step by step through real-world rating logic, labeling accuracy, and project readiness. So in section 1, which is the understanding the Project Hydra. So Project Hydra represents a search evaluation environment where you rate content, ads, or app results for quality and relevance. Think of it as a bridge between what users want and what an algorithm delivers. Your role is to judge whether the result actually justifies the intent behind your query. Thus, you will see tags like rating the usefulness of an app store result, evaluating the intent behind voice or typed queries, comparing multiple results to decide which one gives the best user experience. So when you approach Hydra tags, remember 3 key metrics: relevance, utility, and trust. Each decision you make affects how future users experience search results. So the section 2 is why people fail qualifications. So most new raters struggle not because the work is hard, but because they treat it like guesswork. So here are the common mistakes, if I'm to mention them. First of all, one of them is ignoring the intent of the query. The second one is rating from personal opinion rather than objective usefulness. Third one is rushing through tasks without reading instructions. But in the Hydra Masterclass, I break down real sample scenarios and show you how evaluators decode intent. So using structured reasoning models that Appen and Crowdgen look for. So if you can demonstrate consistent logic, your quality score rises and you become eligible for the higher paying tax. So section 3 is a rating framework, and here is is a simplified version of the framework professional use. Like, first of all, like understanding the query type. When you're talking about understanding a query type, I'm talking about the informational, the navigational, the transactional, and the localization. Then define the user intent. So define the user, and this is where the user actually trying to kind of accomplish the essence of typing or maybe searching the web. And another one is assess result relevance. So does it really meet that intent precisely? We check content quality. Is it accurate, safe, and is it up to date? Then another one is evaluating user experience, hereby loading speed, readability, and credibility. So each step contributes to a final rating score. So inside the Hydra Masterclass, you will practice with guided exercises to master each of these layers, building both speed and accuracy. Then the section 4 will be talking about the mindset and the productivity, hereby the remote evaluation. Like the remote evaluation, demands consistency. The best raters treat it like a craft. They work in distraction-free sessions. They keep personal bias out of judgment. They constantly review feedback reports to improve. So the difference between average and elite rater is in access to answers, is discipline and process. There's a link in the comment section and in the description part that includes productivity templates. checklist routines, and practical calibration drills that keep you performing at professional level. So once you master these skills, opportunities multiply. Companies like Appen, the Appen project, like this Project Hydra, also tells offers similar gigs and all of it. They all hire raters, labelers and linguists who can apply the same analytical thinking that you are learning today in this video. So you can branch into search quality analysis, data labeling and annotation, AI training and model evaluation, even freelance consulting, helping others understand these quality metrics. So your goal isn't just to pass a qualification, it's to build a repeatable online income skill set. So if you found this walkthrough valuable, imagine a full guided system that takes you from the fundamentals all the way to advanced evaluator mastery. So that's exactly what the Hydra Masterclass delivers. So complete breakdown of rating logic and decision trees, interactive practices sets that simulatory projects, feedback frameworks to build confidence before live qualification, the step-by-step workflow templates to help you earn consistently and avoid common rejections. So whether you are aiming for Appen Tellers or one format, this course equips you with the skills these platforms look for. So if you're serious about working remotely and turning analytical skills into income, click the link in the description or in the comment section. Join the Hydra Masterclass today. So you will gain lifetime access to regular updates and direct strategies that help you pass smarter, not by shortcuts but by genuine mastery. So thanks for watching this video. Remember, success in remote rating isn't about secret answers. It's about understanding systems, improving on your accuracy, and applying the same structured thinking that best raters use every day. So if you're ready to take that next step, enroll in the Hydra Masterclass and start building the foundation for consistent online income. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone preparing for Crowdgen Appen or Taylor's project. So your journey to remote work mastery starts now.